Hello, my name is Sharvari Zod, Department IT, Division L, roll number 66. Today I'm gonna explain isometric view. So let's see. So here we have given a question of isometric view, and the front view and left hand side view is been shown. So now we have to project the isometric view of it. Let's start. Here the height is given, width and breadth is given. So from that we will construct it. Now we will take a parallel line from middle. We will take 30 degree from this side, 90 and 30, and now we have to make now we will just draw a line from middle. We have to draw 85 long line at an angle of 90 degree. This line is of 70 long and this 90 long at an angle of 30 degree. Now we will make line from your 85 upward. So from your 85 we have to draw parallel lines from here. From here we have drawn 85. From here also where we are gonna draw 85 long line. Now just make parallel lines and make a square of it. By joining all the parallel lines we have to make a square. So as shown we have to make it. Okay, now this line will be parallel to this line, and this line parallel to this. Just remember, all lines should be parallel to each other, and this parallel to this. Okay, so now our square is been ready. Now this distance is been 9. This distance is 30 plus 30, which is 90. So now we have to, from here we have to make a line of 30 long line, which is here. We'll divide this 90 long line into 3 equal parts. So this will come 3 from here, 6 and 9, and we are gonna make parallel. So this upward it is given, it is 60 upward. So from this line 60 upward. Let's make 60 from this, 60 and 60 from this, and 60 from this. So making harder. Now we have to join this. Okay. So now our this portion is been ready. Left hand side view, which will come on right hand side, which is ready. Now we have to make this. So let's do it. For this is 10 and the width is 50. From here 10 and here 10. So let's here take 10 from here 10. So this line will be of 50 as shown. So this is of 50. So we will join this with 50. Now here it is 10 from inside. So parallel to this we will make a 10 from this and 10 from this. Now join this. Remember, all should be in parallel to each other. Now for making a circle we have to make a rhombus, and then we need to draw a circle. So let's see. For drawing a rhombus, first we will make a square. So as we know, this is 35 this circle, we need to first construct a rhombus. So let's see how it will come. From here we will take 35 from here, which is the half of 7, and just draw 35 from here, and then make a 35 long line. Just join this line. This will come as a middle point. So from here we take 1.5 over here, 1.5 over here. Also just make a line like this. to this one, like this. 1.5 downwards, 1.5 from here, 1.5 from here. That's simple. From upward also will be 1.5 and down 1.5. Now just join and our rhombus will be ready. So this is a required rhombus. Erase all the unrequired lines. So our rhombus is ready. Now we know this diagonal side we need to join by a shorter side. So this is diagonal and this is shorter side. So by joining it, join all the points properly. This is it. And this shorter side will be joined to this diagonal like this. Okay, so now taking this as a keeping center over here and taking this as distance, we need to make a circle like this. Keeping over here this as a distance, we need to make a line circle over here like this. Now we will keep taking this as a distance, keeping it as a circle. We need to construct a circle. Construct it properly, no need of a circle. And again, keeping over here this as a join and make a circle. So this is our proper circle has been ready. Now this circle is ready. Now for making this half circle, we again need to develop a rhombus over here. So by developing a rhombus again, upward will be this line is a 35. We'll just here from here, 70 will again upward. From this also by taking 7 upward, okay, like this. So now we will take a half of 70 here. Half of 7. Take a half of 70. So as you know, half of 70 is 35. So 35.1 35.1 35 over here. Join this with this. Now our required square rhombus is being ready. Now as we have done the steps for making this circle, we need to repeat this for making this circle. So by joining the diagonal side to this side, just make it this diagonal side to this shorter side, this diagonal, this shorter side, and this to this, this to this, this to this. Okay, so our required we have plot all. Now similarly we will make a rhombus, taking this as a distance, this as a radius, like this, taking this as a center, this as a radius, like this. Now this to this as a, so it's keeping this as a center, join again this as a, keeping it as a center, required shape is being. So in this way we have completed drawing this. Join. Okay. As similarly we have created the rhombus in the front and we made circle, we have to similarly process or repeat the steps at the back side. So there also we can make this same look. So let's do it by creating a square. So now we are creating a square rhombus at the back. In the same process we have to do it. By creating a rhombus, we will make a circle first and then the down of the curve. So let's do it. Now we will mark the center point of the line and make a straight line on it. Make divide the line into 3 by 5 and join the line. Now we have get the middle point. Now we have to construct a circle on it. So by making a line from every point, as we know we have to join the diagonal side by the shorter side. So let's do it, and we will get the construction of the circle. Now we will draw the circle. We first draw the upper part. We just want the down half circle, so we will if you all make it, it is okay. So just we will make the down upper part. So let's see. Now after this, join the line. And taking a 3 distance in the rounder, and we will similarly make a half. Now after making it, we will erase all the lines which are not necessary and draw parallel line upwards like this. Just erase all the points which are not necessary, okay? By drawing a parallel line from down, also we will make a line. So our isometric view will be look something like this. To draw a line to that point and again join, erasing all the lines which is not necessary. Now we will project this line also parallel upwards, so it will look like this. Joining the upper diagonal side, taking it downwards and making again a square like this. Now we will draw a parallel line. So we are constructing again a square, a rhombus over here. Taking 3 mm. All the distances are in mm. Projecting the round line parallel, and like this our square will be ready. Taking the midpoint, and making a line through the midpoint like this.
The midpoint is of 3.5 as a line is of 7. Remember that. After that we will draw a parallel line, so we will get a midpoint of the rhombus. As this is the same process as we have repeated earlier. Like this will mark. From upward also and from downward also we have to take the same distance, okay? Now as we know, we have to take a diagonal side to shorter side and join it. Like earlier, how we know how we make a circle in isometric view. So same like that. You have to make a half circle, okay? So now it will look like this. So now as this is 10, so we have to take from back also 10. As it is hollow, we need to construct it from the back side so it will look hollow. So let's do. Now we have to join a parallel line. Like this. So it will look something like this. Now drawing from that and also parallel downwards. We have to make it hollow. Now we will join a parallel line from front to back like this. From here like this. Erase all the unnecessary lines. Now we will take 10 mm downwards from this line. So taking 10 mm downwards. We will make a parallel line. Like this. Now from this point we will make a line downwards like this. See that all lines are parallel to each other. Now erase all the lines which are not necessary. And now we will make the dimensions. checking the dimensions. Now this line is 70 mm long and this line is 90 mm long. So in this way we are completed